one of the integration techniques is using the integral table to integrate. It doesn't matter which textbook you use, the integral table is always in the index, usually on the back of the book. Usually there are 120 integrals in there. What are those 120 integrals? They are just like formulas. So for example, I have one right there for you, the integral of cosine AU times cosine BU du, that is equals to the right hand side. You don't need to know how to derive these formulas. What you have to do is I give you an integral. So for example, the yellow integral from 0 to pi over 2 cosine of 5x times cosine of 2x. I want you to integrate using the formula. All right, so that's the purpose. You have a formula right next to you. You have an integral. Can you use the integral to integrate? Can you use the formula to integrate? So in this problem, if you match the numbers a little bit, cosine AU and BU, right? So in this problem, AU is equals to 5x and BU is equals to 2x. That tells me A is equals to 5 and B is equals to 2. So, and then all you have to do is you plug in A and B to the right hand side. You don't even need to do anything, right? It looks like you just plug in. Okay, let's plug in. So on the right hand side, I have sine of A minus U. So that will be 5 minus 2 x divided by 2 times A minus B, 5 minus 2, and then plus sine A plus U, A plus B, and then u is x, and then divided by 2 a plus b, so that would be 5 plus 2. There is a plus c, but we are doing a definite integral, then we don't do plus c, we do where x goes from 0 to pi over 2. You don't have to change the 0 to pi over 2 in terms of u, because if you take a look at the result is in x, right? So we have sine of 3x 1 over the bottom is 1 over 6, right? So we have 1 over 6 sine of 3x, and then plus 1 over 14 sine of 7x, such that x goes from 0 to pi over 2. Okay, let's plug in a pi over 2. So we have 1 over 6, we have sine of 3 pi over 2 plus 1 over 14 sine of 7 pi over 2. And then this is the pi over 2, and then we have 1 for 0. 1 over 6 sine of 0. Oh, this is easy. Sine of 0 is always 0. So sine of 0. So this, the whole thing is equals to 0, right? So we only need to take care of the first square bracket. So 3 pi over 2, you have to use your unit circle. The coordinate of 3 pi over 2 is 0, negative 1. And then 7 pi over 2, the coordinate is also 0 and negative 1. So sine refers to y, then that is just equals to negative 1, right? So we have negative 1 over 6, and then 1 over 14 times negative 1 is this. And then minus 0 minus 0. So after all, you have negative 5 over 21. So that is the final answer. All right, so that's how you use the integral in the integral table. Okay, so that is the end of this video. I will do another example in the next video. If you think I picked the best problem to discuss, let me know in the comment below. Like the video, share the video, subscribe to my channel. Appreciate your help. See you all in the next one. Signing off for now.